Hi, in this video I will show you how to add playlists on SmartOne IPTV player. So if you're interested to do that, first things first, you need to make sure that you have the required things. So you require a SmartOne IPTV installed onto your smart TV. You also need the valid NGU or Extreme codes on your IPTV playlist. You also need your TV's MAC address and device ID from SmartOne app. Once you have all of these things right here, next thing that we need to do is just open the Smart IPTV application and note the MAC address and device ID shown onto the actual screen. Once you have noted those, head over to this particular link, which is smart1-iptv.com. Now just upload the playlist from there onto the login page. Just click onto this upload playlist onto the home page. And then from in there, just enter in here your MAC address, the playlist name that you want, the URL of your MTU playlist, and click onto this add playlist option. So here's an example of it filled up right around here. Then after you've done that, you can just restart your Smart One IPTV by closing and reopening the application onto your TV. So after that, your uploaded playlist should appear and be ready to use. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.